Hey friends, if you wish to set or change Microsoft Edge homepage on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So this is the homepage. When you click on the home button, this is also usually the startup page, but that's not necessary. So to set it, click on these three dots at the top right corner and select settings. Go to start home and new tab page and scroll down and you find the home button option here. If it's turned off, there is no home button. If it's turned on, there is a home button. You can select it at a new tab page or add a custom site. The default one is google.com, but you can set it to something else like bing.com. Okay. So this is how easy it is. You don't need to save anything. Okay. When you click on this home tab, then that specific page will open. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.